Again. Today, I'm going to be doing another brand new reaction video. Today, I'm going to react to the Dan the My Little Pony and Sophie the First Fan of a video of that he uploaded 1 day ago, which was, I think that was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday, I was making sure. In the video of his, I'm going to react to, in the video I'm reacting to of his, the newest taste test video of it that is, I don't know what to say, the video react is called Taste Test number 225 DQ, which is DQ Ultimate Cookie. Obviously, Ultimate Cookie Blizzard. I think that's pretty much what that is. So yeah. So now without further ado, let's get the video right now.
Hi there, everybody. Yo. This is me, Dan, the My Little Pony, and Sophia, the First Fan here. And today, I'm here at Dairy Queen to try the new Ultimate Cookie. Now, I'm going to show you what it's like inside. So this is what the Ultimate Cookie looks like, everyone. Take a look closely to the thumbnail. It's like an Oreo ice cream with Oreo Chips Ahoy cookies and other butter inside of it. So anyways, we're gonna taste the Ultimate Cookie. So here we go, everybody. Now that Ultimate Cookie tastes really good if I do say so myself. Let's go for another scoop. Now, I was highly recommended the Ultimate Cookie from the YouTube channel called The Southern Snack.
What?
So The Southern Snack recommended this to me. So anyways, let's go for a few more scoops out of this. Then we'll give it up with a rating coming up next. Here we go. Now that tastes really good. I really need to give the Ultimate Cookie from Dairy Queen a 25,003,289.5 out of 10 stars. So thank you so much for enjoying this taste test review. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bells if you want to see more videos. So, I will see you later. Toodle pep, adieu, auf Wiedersehen, Gesundheit, farewell.
So yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notifications on every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos. And our videos reach out to your friends' videos if you want your choice, because I ain't making ya. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Dan the My Little Pony and Sophie the First Fan if you're new. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And on the main channel here, we're on the road to 3K subscribers. And on the backup channel, to return 2.0, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah. And that's the end of this reaction video. And I'll see you all one more banger. Banger weeks. So more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Super Turner signing out, and peace to legends, and peace out, everyone.